What's going on, y'all? This is my 2021 Street Bob. I got the 32-liter Darkin bags from Viking Bags. I just wanted to make a quick video, kind of go over the bags, features I like, how the quick disconnect works, and basic install of the bags. So yeah, let's jump into it. Alright, so starting off, the overall appearance of the bags I really like, especially if you have a gloss black bike like myself. Really matches. You don't have to do much to get that matching look. These actually have a professional ceramic coat on them, which is why they look so kind of liquidy. But you know, good paint job on them. High durability paint, so resist any scratches and whatnot, especially if you throw that ceramic coat on. But overall appearance, definitely give them a 10 out of 10. Pretty cool feature on the bag is it already has the tail light cutouts, so you don't have to do any rewiring, you know, any tail light you know, repositioning or anything like that. So that is a really nice feature of the bags. So to access the bags, just a little tab here, pull up on that, swing the top open. Thing I like about the inside, it's got this nice liner throughout the lid and throughout the whole body of the bag, so you're not going to scratch up any of your, you know, personal belongings or anything like that. Plenty of storage. Like I said, these are the 32 liters. It's nice they have a rubber gasket around the top where it meets the lid to keep any water out. And the nice thing about it, it's actually sewn in to the bag, so you're not going to be fighting with this in the future from coming off. Cool feature both bags have is this removable pocket, and it just velcros in. You can put, you know, whatever you want in there. I put like my little Saddleman locking key tool for the seat, whatever you want, but it just velcros right into the sidewall, so it stays up out of your way, which is pretty nice. So these have the ability to be a quick disconnect and quick install. So you just pull this little Velcro tab down, which gives you the locking device, little arm. You just lift up on the keeper. Go ahead and lift. Now it's unlocked. Then once you get the bag unlocked with the little arm, you just lift up on the bag and it removes from the actual mount hardware. So you can see it's got two holes on the rear. You don't have to drill those. They come with the bag already installed. The only thing you have to do is add these little adapters here and here in place of where the sissy bar mount bolts go. They'll give you all the hardware you need, and then these just clip and lock directly onto it. And then same process to get the bag back on. You just line up the holes. Sometimes it can be a little tricky just to get everything set properly. Most times you'll get it in one go. And once you get all the holes aligned and the bag on, you just press the lever down. You just push the lever back down, ensure it's fully down, pop that Velcro back on, and you're good to go. Both bags are key lockable. They got the keyholes on top. Really nice, especially if you're like myself that wears a GoPro consistently, wants to take it off, throw it in there, you know, secure it, whatnot. Yeah, you get two keys with it. Super easy functionability of the locking devices on there. So just to kind of talk on the bags a little bit, I've had these specific bags for over a year now, and you can tell paint's holding up well. Like I said, these do have a ceramic coat on them. I would definitely recommend it. They definitely hold that shine way better. As far as storage space, I've never had any issues with, you know, running out of room. I actually had a half-gallon jug of water come open inside one of these bags, and you'd be surprised at how waterproof they are. It actually held all the water inside it. So if you ever want to use it as a cooler, I guess you could do that. When you receive the bag, they'll come in a nice wrapped cloth, so they're not getting all beat up, scuffed up. And then yeah, it's just install the two bolts on the rear, remove any bolts you have from prior sissy bars or whatnot, because you need a longer bolt, which they give you. Install those two bolts and then mount them right up. There's no cutting involved. There's nothing, no adjustments needed. I have no problems with any of the alignment in the rear with the taillights. Everything was all good. I was honestly surprised at the install time. You know, you see people on YouTube say install will take 15 minutes. This truly does. You just add those two bolts with the adapters on the rear. No need to adjust anything as far as the bag goes, and hook them right up. Just get them nice and aligned and drop that lock-in lever and you're good to go. So as far as these bags go, I definitely recommend them, or would recommend them to anybody. The paint finish, great. The taillight cutouts make it super easy to align everything. You don't have to cut anything in the back of the bag. It already has mount hardware there for you. Super quick install. Like I said, 15-30 minutes tops. I'm very happy with the purchase. Very happy with the way they look on the bike as well. So I would definitely look into buying these.